Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Huawei Watch to a Samsung mobile device. First, ensure your Huawei Watch is charged to at least 50%. Next, download the Huawei Health application from either the Samsung Galaxy Store or the Google Play Store onto your Samsung phone. Finally, activate Bluetooth on your Samsung mobile device to prepare for pairing. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth setup process and will get you ready for the next stage of connecting your devices. Now that your devices are ready, open the Huawei Health app on your Samsung phone. Navigate to the Devices tab, usually found at the bottom, and select Add Device. From the list, choose your specific Huawei Watch model. A pairing request will appear on both your watch and phone. Confirm it on both to establish the connection. This step securely links your watch to your phone, allowing them to communicate effectively. Once paired, the Huawei Health app will request various permissions. It is essential to grant all necessary permissions for the app to function fully and access features like heart rate monitoring and step tracking. Also, allow the app to run in the background to maintain a stable connection and ensure continuous data synchronization. You can then customize notification settings and data preferences within the app for a personalized experience. If you encounter any connection issues, a simple restart of both your Huawei Watch and Samsung phone often resolves them. Always ensure both devices have their latest software updates installed, as this can fix bugs and improve compatibility. Keep the Huawei Health app updated to its newest version for optimal performance. For the best connection, maintain a close proximity, ideally within 10 meters, between your watch and phone. These tips will help ensure a reliable connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.